Okay, as you can see now, we've got the back plate off. The back plate's right over there. It's real easy to take off. And this is the battery. Make sure you disconnect it right here. As you can see, it's disconnected, so there's no power going to the motherboard. All right. So I got my battery disconnected, and then the RAM sits right here. I've already put the new RAM in. It's called Ripjaws. G.Skill is the company that makes it. It's a 32 gig stick. Was simple to install. I mean, there's a million install videos on YouTube, so I'm not going to bore you with that. And then here's the Samsung 1 terabyte, the 9880, the 980, 1 terabyte. You can see it right there. Installed and all bolted down. The screw comes with the hard drive. All right, stay tuned for 3.